Today we are turning leftover rice into something amazing in just a few minutes. This simple Chinese fried rice goes from basic to mouth-watering, quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Let's get cooking. Over here you can see our eggs, okay? Use any quantity or amount of eggs that you want, okay? If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do what to support us. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. To my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I love you guys. So guys, mix the egg very well. Yeah, go ahead to season it up. As I always do, I use liquid stock. Okay, so over here you can see our leftover rice. Yeah, leftover rice. So I opened it up. Now let's begin. So in a cooking pot, I added little vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. Once it is done, now add in the egg and cook on a medium to low heat until it is done.
Now memory she dey produce, as she turn her ways they go. She dey dance and you go know. Say this food where you dey chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. In no fake, now real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow.
Some minutes later, over here you can see that the egg is well cooked. Now pack them out and set aside. In the same pot, I went in with some butter, okay? We're going to be heating it up. You allow it to melt. Once it is done, go ahead to add in little salt. Go in with some chopped onions. Stir and fry for about 2 minutes. Two minutes later, go in with mixed vegetables. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice, okay? Now I went ahead to give it a nice stir and cook on a medium heat, okay? Please do not allow your vegetable to overcook. Now let's go ahead to season it up. Okay, I added some oregano. Feel free to use any ingredients of your choice, okay? I went in with curry powder, add to your taste. So I added ginger and garlic paste. Yeah, I have to show you guys, okay? So that is it. Go ahead to add in your season cubes, okay?
She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go hear you. Now kitchen be a sacred place where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh Mira's kitchen, joy dey fly.
Mix until it is well combined, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Over here, I added the fried egg. Of course, we are going to be adding and mixing, okay? So mix everything to combine. So at this point, I went ahead to add in the cooked rice, okay? Once you are done, mix until all the vegetables are well mixed, okay? So here I added some soya sauce. Okay, you have to be very careful so that you don't end up cooking salty Chinese fried rice. Okay, so I added soya sauce. Give it a nice stir. At least you stir for 2 more minutes. Okay, or you can as well cover. This is going to elevate. This is going to elevate this Chinese fried rice. Unanaruo China. So guys, that is it. Stir until it is well combined. Okay, so I thought I was still making my videos. Unfortunately, my phone went off. So that is it. I covered it for about 2 minutes, and that is it. Our Chinese fried rice is ready. Hope you are going to be trying this recipe out this season. Hope you will be trying it out. Very quick and simple and delicious. Serve and enjoy. The type of aroma pumping up from this kitchen, you cannot resist it, and the deliciousness as well. So guys, enjoy in whichever way you prefer. You can enjoy it with any soft drink, in any way. Una water go.
Yeah. Mira de cool. With love in our hand. You go taste them. You go understand.
We have come to the end of today's wonderful and amazing and delicious food recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in our next one. And remember, bye.